So today we're going to take a look at how you can reset the calibration on your Apple Watch. Pretty simple. All you want to do first of all is we're going to want to open up the Apple Watch app on our iPhone. We're going to want to scroll down to privacy, and when we're in privacy we want to scroll down to reset fitness calibration data. This one in yellow at the bottom. We're just going to simply click that, and then you're going to select the red one. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it, but the idea of doing this is that it resets your calibration data to 0, and it's going to start building up new calibration data. So basically when you go for a walk or a run, it's going to start recalibrating and figuring out what your steps are. Mine, I felt like, was inaccurate, so I did this and I seen a noticeable improvement. Also, once you've done this, to make sure it works well, you're going to want to go for a 20-minute walk or run at a normal pace. I'd say on flat ground as well, to keep everything like calculating normally, so you're not going up any steep elevation or anything. Just go for a 20-minute walk or run flat on the ground. On your workout app on your iPhone, on your Apple Watch, just click the black man in the green circle and select your setting from there. But yeah, that's how you reset your calibration data for your Apple Watch. Hope you find that useful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.